In this video, I will share with you the cost per hour to jack, hammer or break rocks in Jamaica. So if you're building your dream house and the land is rock, this video will give you an idea what's the cost per hour to break or jackhammer rocks. If it's the first time here, please remember to leave a like, leave a comment, share the video, press the notification bell, subscribe to see more video like this. In Jamaica, it is $11,000 Jamaican dollars to use the excavator with the breaker or jackhammer to break or jackhammer rocks. So if you're building your dream house and the land is rocky, it's rocks, and you need to get it leveled down, it is 11,000 Jamaican dollars to do hourly job. So 11,000 Jamaican dollars per hour to do this job with an excavator. The prices vary based on the size excavator and the type company you're using. I wasn't the one who negotiated with this company, but based on my understanding, the person who are doing this project, they are paying 11,000 Jamaican dollars to excavate or jackhammer or break this rocky land. By now, you get a clear understanding from what the information I'm trying to share here. So if you're building a dream house and it's a piece of land that have a lot of rocks, and you will hire an excavator to level the land, the price will be vary. Always remember that. So the price I'm saying here is not right across the island. It is very based on company, based on unit, but for this piece of land, they are paying 11,000 Jamaican dollars per hour. Do the maths. So if this machine got to work for an 8-hour shift, it will be about $88,000 roughly for the day. If they're doing an 8-hour shift, it all depends on how much hour. Well, do the maths. I will tell you about 1 hour. You can do the multiplication and get the idea. Because it's very important to know what's the cost for these things. You buy a piece of land and it is rock. You don't have any idea what you gotta pay to excavate it or jackhammer it or break the rocks. Well, this will give you an idea what you're up against. And I don't know if this is a friendly price or if this is the average price or what. But I'm sharing this information. And this machine is a cat. So there is a cat excavator, fairly new machine. And the workman seems to be very experienced. He don't waste any time. And he get a lot done within an hour. As you can see, this is solid stone. This is not marl. So I think he's working at a very quick pace for the money, not wasting any time. And the customer is close by watching what he's doing. So I don't know if that is making working according to plan, but he's not wasting any time. So this video was done about 2 days ago. Prior to now, I'm doing the editing, and it was 11,000 Jamaican dollars per hour. So bear in mind, when you're doing your project and it's rock, this is the type of price you gotta pay to get the job done. If you notice, this land don't have no form of dirt or sand, solid rock right through. So they say the wise man built his house up on the rock. Well, I think the rich man built his house up on the rock. Guy can afford it to do these type of work. A lot of jackhammer in before. See, this land is rocky right through. This piece of land, rocky. If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this, share with family and friends. Leave your comments, highly appreciate it. So tell me what you think. Leave your comments, any question, drop your question in the comments. I try to answer as much, and see my other videos with building a house, step-by-step instruction. I have a lot of construction video, and a shout out to the people, viewers and subscribers who reach out to me from time to time, asking me questions about many things in my other videos, and I try to answer as much of those comments and questions as I can. So just giving a shout out to you. Do remember, when building on rocks, it is very important to check with the relevant authority to get information. What are the rules and building codes to build on rocks? Because the approach on rocks is different and a flat piece of land without rocks. It's two different approach. So get a contractor who have experience doing building on rocks. It's a different approach. So just heads up here, when building on rocks, get workmen or contractors that do works on rocks. Check with the relevant authority, local authority, to get information how to build on rocks. This is very important information to remember. When building on rocks, there is no space for error. Any space for error will pay dearly, because remember, you got a jackhammer to correct anything. So just get as much information how to approach the guidelines and building on rocks. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Happy building.